Hi everyone, it's Anthony, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the LinkedIn Insight pixel on your website using Google Tag Manager. It's super easy. Once you're in the campaign manager, just click on Account Assets, Insight Tag, and then I will install the tag myself. So here you have two options. You can either copy that and paste it on your website or ask a developer to do it. Or if you use Google Tag Manager, you're just going to need the LinkedIn Partner ID. So I'm going to move over to Google Tag Manager, select Tag, then New Tag, and then here, Tag Configuration. Click here, search for LinkedIn, because this is already ready in Google Tag Manager, and you see we need a Partner ID. So Partner ID, got it. And then the trigger, you're going to want that to trigger on all pages. So I'm just going to click here, all pages, and save. The name is already ready. You save that, and then you would go, as usual, submit, publish, skip, and that's it. You're done. We should have some data populating in LinkedIn in the near future.